Hello, and welcome to another edition of the Winter Health audio podcast. My name is Diane, and over the last few months, I've been supporting voluntary, community, and social enterprise partners in Camden with the latest communications and health messages from the NHS and North Central London's Winter Resilience campaign. This Winter Health programme has been designed to provide information on health and care services in Camden that support you and your communities to live, age and work well. Now today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about COVID-19 vaccination for those who are unregistered or from migrant or refugee communities. The COVID-19 vaccination is safe and effective and offers the best known possible protection against COVID-19. To ensure you are as protected as possible, it is important to get all doses of the vaccine when they are offered to you. The vaccine is free to everyone in the UK, even if you are from a migrant or refugee community. You don't need to have an NHS number in order to receive one, and you don't need to be registered with a GP. Taking up the offer of a vaccine does not affect your asylum or your refugee status, and no immigration checks are needed to get tested, treated or vaccinated for COVID-19. At some vaccination sites, you may be asked for your age, but you don't need to prove your identity, your address or your immigration status in order to access the vaccine. No immigration checks will be carried out, and you will not be asked to pay for the vaccination afterwards. You will be given a card with the information about the vaccine you have been given and the date when it was given to you. You should keep this safe, as you will need it again when you go for your second dose. Remember, you need to get your second vaccine 8 weeks after your first dose. And it's not too late to get the vaccine, even if you've not been vaccinated at all yet. If you've already had one COVID-19 vaccination and your next dose is overdue, don't worry. The offer to have it still remains open to you. Now, did you know that everyone in England is entitled to register with a GP or doctor? It is important to register with a doctor as soon as you arrive here, as you may need to see one if you get sick. You do not need to show proof of address, identification or immigration status to register, although it's helpful if you can. A GP or doctor is an important way to get access to a whole range of services should you need it, and anyone in England can get treatment from a doctor or GP free of charge. I'll include all information about local walk-in vaccination sites and pop-up centres in Camden on the Voluntary Action Camden YouTube channel. Just look for the links under the Winter Health programme audio. I'll also include information where you can get free legal advice and support if you are a migrant or refugee living locally, as well as information on where to register with a GP surgery near where you are. Once again, thanks for listening, and until next time, stay safe and keep well.